In a world teeming with life's wonders, where every leaf, every creature, and every heartbeat holds a story, we invite you to embark on a captivating voyage into the realm of science and exploration. Welcome to BioVista, where the journey of discovery never ends, and the mysteries of life are unveiled one revelation at a time. From the tiniest microorganisms that dance in a single drop of water, to the towering giants that shape landscapes, our planet is a canvas of life's intricate tapestry. BioVista is your window into this fascinating world, a world where evolution's brush has painted remarkable stories of adaptation, survival, and interconnectedness. Beyond the captivating landscapes and intriguing creatures lies a realm of knowledge waiting to be discovered. Join us as we venture into the heart of biology, peeling back the layers of complexity to reveal the core mechanisms that drive life itself. From the symphony of genetic codes orchestrating life's processes within cells to the delicate balance that sustains ecosystems, BioVista takes you on a scientific expedition. We explore the frontiers of knowledge, where curiosity leads to understanding, and understanding fuels our appreciation for the world around us. But this isn't just an exploration guided by textbooks and theories. BioVista embraces the spirit of adventure, taking us beyond the confines of classrooms and laboratories. With field studies and hands-on experiments, we unlock the practical applications of scientific principles. Evolution is our guiding force that has sculpted life's diversity over millions of years. Join us as we journey through time, tracing the footprints of ancient ancestors and understanding the genetic threads that connect us to every living being on Earth. As we explore the natural world, we also confront the challenges it faces. From climate change to conservation efforts, BioVista sheds light on the intricate dance between humanity and the environment, inspiring us to become stewards of our planet. BioVista is more than a channel, it's a community of learners, explorers, and dreamers. Whether you're a student eager to deepen your knowledge, a curious mind seeking answers, or simply someone who marvels at the wonders of life, you're a part of this journey. So, as we embark on this adventure together, remember that every discovery, every insight, and every revelation brings us closer to understanding the symphony of life. Welcome to a world where the pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds. Welcome to BioVista,